we are going to study about the French Revolution, class 9 and part 3. Today we are going to study about the French society during the late 18th century. What happened the French society during the late 18th century? Already we have studied 1774, Bourbon family, Louis XVI came to the power of France. Then the France treasury was empty. There was no money remaining in the treasury because of the France was engaged in a long war. That is why the France financial crisis in the France. And then Louis XVI came to power. He also helped 13 American colonies to become independent from the Britain, to gain independence from the Britain. 13 American colonies were under control of the British, and British were ruled that colonies. The Louis XVI helped these American colonies to gain independence from the Britain. The Britain was common enemy of the France. That much you have studied. We have studied the last paragraph, and today we are going to discuss about the French society. There is French society in your textbook, second paragraph. There is explaining about the French society. There are 3 estates in the French society. The first estate was clergy. Second estate was nobles. Third estate peasants. Big businessman. Merchant. Court official. Lawyers. Farmers. Landless peasant, etc. During the late 18th century, France society was divided into 3 estates. The first estate, clergy, church, priest, they were considered as the first estate. Church, there is a church, priest and bishop, and like that important personalities of the first estate. They were clergies and priestess of Christian religion. And second estate were nobles. They were aristocrat family or royal family, already extended. They were the members of the aristocrat family or royal family. And third estate were peasants, big businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyers, landless peasants, servants, artisans. They were considered as the third estate members. That was the that was the French society during the late 18th century. Once more time I will explain the figure of the French society during the late 18th century. The first estate were clergies. They were considered as a church priest and other. And second estate were nobles. They were the relative or the family of the family members of the royalty or aristocrat family. They were considered as a nobles. And third estate were peasants, farmers, big businessmen and merchants, court officials, lawyers, farmers, artisans, and they were including the third estate. It was the structure of the French society during the late 18th century. The first clergy, so already I said clergy, they were the priests of churches. Second, nobles, they were a special privilege by birth. In the society, the first estate and second estate, the priests and the families of the royalty, they have a special privilege by birth. They don't want to pay taxes. They accept exemption from the tax by birth. And all the taxes were had to pay by the peasants, big businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyers, farmers, including the third estate. They had to pay the taxes to the government, and they were exempted from the taxes. This was the structure of the society during the late 18th century, and they have a special privilege by birth. So already I said that the clergies, they don't want to pay any taxes, and they have extracted some taxes from the peasants. They were extracted some money from the peasants, and they have given some money to the church, the third estate people, and second estate also. They have also accepted from the exception from the tax, and they have acting as a feudal lords. You already know feudal lords. We have seen many feudal lords in our society. Like that, feudal system was in France in late 18th century. The peasants had to pay some money as a feudal dues in one area. An example I will say, the case area. So one area is under the control of some of nobles. He was a powerful man. And another area, there was another feudal order, and they were fighting each other, and like that feudal system was there. And that is why the peasants or third estate people had to pay some tax to the nobles as a feudal dues. That was the situation of during the late 18th century in the French society. And more than, they were the taxes, the peasants. Already I said those who are the peasants. The French society during the late 18th century, 90% of the people were peasants, and 10% only second estate and first estate. And the 90% peasants, some has land to cultivate, somebody has not on any bit of land, and they were working under others' land, and they earned their livelihood. From that money they had to pay to the government, to the church, to the nobles or feudals, and again The church has taken more land. The 60% of the land area was occupied by the churches and nobles. Churches and nobles, and 40% it was owned by some big businessmen in the third stage. That was the land system of during the late 18th century. The 90% population were present. They were in the third state. The some are big businessmen in the third state. They have owned 40% of the land of France, and 60% of the land area was occupied by church and nobles. Again, the peasants had to pay some share to the churches, and it is called a titus. In your textbook, it was given some notes about that titus, and some direct tax and some indirect tax. The direct tax is called daily. It was given in your text. You can read it, then you can understand. And some are direct taxes, some are indirect taxes. Already I told you what are the direct taxes and indirect taxes. And indirect taxes for the daily bread, like a salt, tobacco, and it was increasing day by day. It was the situation of the late 18th century, the French society. And tomorrow we are going to study about the topic of struggle to survive. And the peasants were struggling to survive. They have to pay the fees. They have to pay the taxes. It was increasing day by day. And the treasury was empty. And nothing remains in there. And the French society was also like that. And it was divided into third categories. And first estate, second estate and third estate. The first estate and second estate is already exemption from the taxes. And they have a special privilege by birth. They had an exemption from the taxes, and they have a special privilege by the birth. And the nobles acting as a feudal lords. The peasants and the third estate had to pay some money to the nobles. It was called feudal dues, and like that situation. The church extracted some money from the peasants. 90% of the French society was peasants, and 10% only first estate and second estate. And they have the second estate, first estate, exception from the taxes. All the taxes had to pay by the third estate people, and there was a 60% of the land area occupied by the church and nobles, and 40% land occupied by some big businessmen in the third estate. And again they have to pay direct taxes and indirect taxes. And day by day it was increasing taxes for the daily uses, daily consumptions, like a tobacco, like a salt, like a sugar. It was increasing day by day. It was the situation of the French society during late 18th century. Tomorrow we are going to study about the struggle to survive. The people of the France struggle to survive. It will take tomorrow. Thank you.